Hi, bonjour. My name is Julia Lepage. I'm a lawyer practicing in Paris, in France, and I would like to share with you my experience of working with Natali Koroleva, who is master of Chinese metaphysical arts and feng-shui. I have already heard that the space has a great influence on our energy, our capacity to create opportunities, on our well-being. So my first question to Natali was to analyze the situation with my former office, which was located in Trocadero in Paris, very nice area, and it was a very beautiful office, and I had a good development of my activities, but the question was if it would last or not. So Natali visited the place, surroundings, questioned a lot of things. She did a lot of calculations of things that I don't know how it works, but it works. So her analysis on my question was negative. I was surprised, but Natali gave me several scenarios which would happen and the advice how to prevent the difficulties. So I started to look around and to search for new opportunities. And just 1.5 months later, I knew that it will be difficult to renew the rent of my former office. So really 6 months later, I had to choose a new office, and in this project I took advice in advance by Natali, and she could check everything on energy of this place. And so now, almost 2.5 years later, I can say that it was a really right choice, because not only my professional development was positive, but also personal fulfillment is really the most important for me, actually, because I feel that there's more creative side of my activities which is possible now. So it was a main experience for my work, but also in private life. In conclusion, I can say that this Chinese metaphysics works, and Natali is a great specialist of this science, and I know that all important things will pass by Natali's advice, and I can highly recommend to trust your situations in where you need to be more sure about the perspectives. Just try and you will see that it works.